Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Egusi Ijebu. Egusi Ijebu have this kind of runny consistency, so I'm just going to show you how to make it quick, easy and peasy. Yes, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly hit that subscribe button. You'll be glad you did. So let's go into the cooking action. I'm just going to blend my egusi with enough crayfish. Guys, I washed my egusi because the egusi we buy from the local market is really dirty. So I washed my egusi and blend that with enough water. And next I'm just going to be boiling my chicken. You can also use beef or whatever protein you have at home. It's chicken I have at home, so it's chicken I'll be using. And I'll just season that up with some salt and seasoning cube and add in some water and cover up my pot. So easy, right? Yes, it's as easy as that. I'm just going to cover up my pot after this. So guys, I have a good news for you. I lost my spices a month ago and I'm so happy. I'm proud of myself because it's a lot. So guys, I decided to introduce it to you guys because requests of it has really been wowing me. Like, I'm really surprised and I'm so happy because I'm able to put out a natural original product outside just to make cooking very easy, and people accepted it. Like, I'm really glad. So you can order yours too to make things easier for you. Instead of blending pepper and all those stress, you can just order yours. And don't forget to check the link in the description box. If you want to order yours, just click the link in the description box, and the full recipe of this is in the description box too, so ensure to check the description box for the full recipe. I added a teaspoon of the chili pepper and the Cameroon pepper, and I'm just going to be adding the locust beans. I added a tablespoon of locust beans, some red oil and some salt to season that up. I added a seasoning cube, and I'm just going to stir that. There's this interesting flavor Cameroon pepper gives our food. Like, I love it. The smell and the taste in the food is just extraordinary. So I love it. So guys, finally we're just going to be pouring in our blended egusi into this mixture. It's really thick, so I'm just going to pour in some water to rinse off the plate, and that's it. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me, and those of you that have been supporting me, God, I'm really grateful. Thank you so much guys, it means a lot to me. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video, leave a comment for me or a suggestion. And if you want to order our spices, you can click the link in the description box to order it. And we deliver nationwide. So I'm just going to be adding in some snails to this, and I'm just going to be adding in some fish also to this. The reason why I did not add my fish in the beginning was because fish is soft and it could break if it's not handled with care. And I don't want the fish to break in the soup. So guys, I'm just going to cover that up for about 10 minutes so that the fish and the snail can cook. And this is it guys. Can you imagine the aroma now in my kitchen? The flavor from the crayfish, from our chili pepper, from our Cameroon pepper, to the fish, to the chicken and everything, and it's just circulating the kitchen. So guys, I paired this with this plantain flour, and I'm just going to enjoy it. Until next time, I'm Chef Temmie. Bye.